Welcome to SME-Hype. In this video, we compile a list of the 15 most lucrative side hustles for women. Selling digital products or services, freelancing, blogging are some of the most popular side hustles for women. Whether you're a stay-at-home mom, a retiree, a college student, or a working-class woman, side hustles allow you to earn money without devoting a lot of time to them. Because we are magnificent. Women can achieve anything. If you're looking for side hustles to earn extra cash, we've got you covered. It is important to look for side hustles that allow you to use your talents to find the ideal one for you. Decide how much money, time, and effort you can devote. When starting a side hustle, you have two options. Pursue something you're already good at or pursue something you're passionate about. The possibilities are limitless. It would help if you had a few tools, a good work ethic, and an entrepreneurial spirit. Because time is money, we've compiled a list of the best-paying side jobs for women. There's never been a better moment for women to look into side hustles than today, when the freelance economy is booming. To get started, I will leave links in the description section. So let's dive in. Number 15. Become a personal chef. You undoubtedly spend a significant portion of your day as a mother preparing meals. As a result, you may use your culinary skills to supplement your income as a personal chef. You don't have to be a live-in cook to get started with this type of side hustle. For example, start a local food prep and delivery service for elders or busy families. If you don't want to cook full-scale meals, a home baking business could be a good option. If you enjoy baking and want to make money selling your homemade treats, this could be a fantastic side hustle to start. Be sure to check local regulations first, as there may be guidelines you need to meet to sell baked goods from home. And number 14. Tutor students. Tutoring provides excellent prospects as a side job for women who enjoy teaching. And if you already have the skills and knowledge, you may make extra money as an online tutor or in-person teacher for just about any subject. Promote your services in your neighborhood. You can also sign up for services like Schooly, which will match you with students online. Number 13. Teach English online. Consider VIP Kid if you're seeking ways to work from home by teaching English online. They put you in touch with kids that wish to learn English. The sessions are fast, and the structure is one-on-one. You won't have to waste time creating lesson plans either. As a result, you may concentrate on instructing. However, because your students are mainly from China, VIP Kid teachers work late evenings, which may fit well with your day job, depending on your schedule. If you want to try teaching English online as a side hustle, you'll have to think about that. And number 12. Start of a laundry service. Starting a laundry service can help you supplement your income. You can start your own washing service and advertise in your neighborhood, as well as on social media sites, such as Facebook and Instagram. You can also take a look at laundry care. You can apply to become a provider, and they'll assist you in setting up your own laundry service and handling all of the paperwork for you, including billing clients. Number 11. Start a cleaning service. If cleaning is a pleasant hobby for you, a cleaning service can be the appropriate side hustle for you. Cleaning houses is a relaxing and peaceful profession that you may conduct on your own time. It can be completed in an hour or two, depending on the quality of cleaning you provide. Set your own charges and try to attract some long-term clientele to turn this into a profitable side business. You'll need a reliable mode of transportation to get to work, so having a car is ideal. Start with 1 or 2 clients, do an excellent job, and your client base will grow exponentially due to word of mouth. Number 10. Proofread for businesses. Proofreading is the final check before a document or an article is published or shared. You can proofread for any type of business that publishes newsletters, emails, etc. And since most companies have websites, you can offer your services to every company that publishes blogs, newsletters, and emails. For aspiring proofreaders, the Chartered Institute of Editing and Proofreading and the American Copy Editors Society. The Louis Harnby website has tons of resources and incredible insights, and are great places to start. If you're looking to network, Twitter and LinkedIn are full of writers, proofreaders, and editors. Number 9. Voice-over actress. If you have a naturally smooth or distinctive voice, you might like reading commercials, cartoons, video games, and narrating audiobooks. If you have a microphone, mic suspension, headphones, and good acoustics, being a voice-over actress can be a very financially successful side job that you can perform from home. Renting time at a local studio is another option. You can find clients as a voice-over actress by joining an online marketplace like Voices or promote your gig on a freelancer website like Fiverr. And number 8. Start a virtual assistant service. As a virtual assistant, you provide services to individuals and businesses with all kinds of online tasks. You can offer services depending on skills you already have or are willing to learn. You'll find free virtual assistant training videos on YouTube to get started. And Google also has free courses and certifications on social media, content marketing, and more. Virtual assistants generally help clients respond to emails, schedule meetings, customer support, and bookkeeping. Number 7. Become a transcriptionist. A transcriptionist translates what they hear from recorded or live audio data into written information. Consider transcription services if you have good grammar abilities and pay attention to details. If you already work in the medical or legal industries, you'll have an advantage because that's where most of the demand comes from. You can still provide general transcribing to corporate clients if you're not in the medical or legal fields. Furthermore, being a transcriptionist is a great side business for women who don't have much free time. It has numerous advantages, including working at your own pace and on your own time. You'll need transcription software, a good headphone, and a stable internet connection to get started. Number 6. Be a wedding photographer. Do you take amazing pictures? If that's the case, becoming a wedding photographer might be a lucrative side gig. You can book clients on your own time and earn money doing something you want. Wedding photography job may necessitate availability on weekends, so this might be a lucrative side hustle. You can undertake sessions with families, influencers, and local businesses in addition to weddings photography. You may also sell your photographs on sites like Shutterstock and earn a little commission. Number 5. Start a blog. Bloggers are one of the best side hustles for women who want to make money online. Blogging is a great way to share your expertise and provide value to people looking for information or guidance. There are several ways that a blog can generate income. Some bloggers get paid for sponsored blog posts, affiliate marketing, and allowing ads on their websites. Others offer digital or physical products and promote them on Instagram and Pinterest. However, blogging is a long game that needs a monetization strategy and a lot of effort. However, it can be a profitable way to earn money if done correctly. Number 4. Offer freelancing services. Freelancing is one of the best side hustles for women because it allows for flexibility and has the potential to earn a full-time income. In 2020, 59 million people in the United States earned a living through freelance work, accounting for approximately 36% of the total workforce. If you want to work from home, pursue personal interests, or earn extra money, freelancing is an excellent option. It also allows you to put your existing skills to use. For example, you could go out and find your clients right away. Alternatively, you can sign up for the 3 most popular freelancing sites: Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer.com. Freelancing also allows you to work in a wide range of industries and job categories. You could, for example, earn money as a freelance writer, manage social media accounts, or do video editing. Furthermore, skilled graphic designers, web developers, and coders are highly demanded in all industries. Number 3. Create and sell an online course. If you want to make passive money, you can sell your course on your own website or through a third-party platform. You can teach everything from mathematics to learning how to play the guitar. Udemy, Skillshare, and Teachable are all highly user-friendly platforms. To enhance the learning experience, you may want to provide downloadable activities and guidelines to receive better reviews. You will continue to be paid after you have completed the initial process of building up your course. You'll need to consider how to break down your subject into manageable sections for your students. Benefits: you may increase your income with your knowledge. Sales can be quick. You can earn thousands of dollars from course sales. You can start making money within the first month. There is a low barrier to entry with a variety of course platforms. You'll have to devote time to creating, filming, and editing a valuable course. Number 2. Become a makeup artist. You can earn money by making other women feel beautiful. You can work as a makeup artist for events such as weddings, proms, and family photos. All you need are clean tools, makeup, and your knowledge and experience to get started. Use social media platforms such as Facebook and Instagram to promote your services. You can also schedule clients to come to your home or travel to them. One of the best side hustle opportunities for women. Finally, number 1, sell handmade products. You can sell your handmade goods on Etsy if you're good at crafts or making things with your hands. It is the largest online marketplace for handmade goods, including embroidered items, jewelry, journals, home goods, upcycled items, and much more. Profit from your hobby. Furthermore, the products are not limited to handcrafted physical goods. You can create and sell digital products and printables, such as graphics, to customers. This is a good side hustle because digital products can quickly become passive income. Final thoughts on the best side hustles for women. Finding ways to earn a little extra money, or a lot of money, can make a big difference in your finances. You could use the extra cash to pay off student loans or credit cards, build an emergency fund, or catch up on bills if you're behind. These side hustles for women can help you earn some extra cash, and many of them do not require any prior experience. And if you're looking to start a side business in your spare time, any of these options could quickly turn into a full-time job. Before you leave, don't forget to check out my favorite Succeeding on Fiverr. Subscribe to our channel for more, because why not, and it's free. Like our video, it helps you to show it to other people who might be interested in earning extra money. Until next time, I am Lucia. Thanks for watching and bye for now.